É, velho!
Siga. Só estava sendo caraca do céu! Não,
Muito bom!
meu, é muito bala, cara!
Muito bom mesmo! Fazer o gravidade zero. Ok, vamos lá. Gravidade zero agora. Gravidade zero. Você tá pesado aí? Vamos lá então. Tá?
1, 2, 3, like a bird I sing, 'cause you've given me the most beautiful set of wings. And I'm so glad you're here today, 'cause tomorrow I might have to go and fly away. Hey! I'm down to my last dollar, I've walked right through my shoes. Just a small reminder of the hell that I've gone through. But look at me still smiling, 'cause I'm wondering what I'll do. 'Cause since I ain't got nothing, I got nothing to lose. Everybody say ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. Well, my friends are always giving me watches, hats, and wine. That's how I know this is serious, that's how I know it's time. I don't have to worry about things that I don't have, 'cause if I ain't got nothing, I got nothing to hold me back. And 1, 2, 3, like a bird I sing, 'cause you've given me the most beautiful set of wings. And I'm so glad you're here today, 'cause tomorrow I might have to go and fly away, fly away. Nothing that's worth keeping me from places I should go. From Happyville to Loving Land, I'm gonna tour from coast to coast. I'm leaving everything behind, there's not much that I need, 'cause if I ain't got nothing, I'm footloose and fancy free. And 1, 2, 3, like a bird I sing, 'cause you've given me the most beautiful set of wings. I'm so glad you're here